Fire emoji. Freeman HKD and Spirit ZW set the scene ablaze with Bvira Vira. The HKD Boss, Freeman HKD, has done it again. Always a major force in the ZimDancehall scene, the artist has just dropped a track that is guaranteed to keep the clubs bumping and car speakers vibrating. Bvira Vira, featuring the talented Spirit ZW. Released as part of his latest project, The Notebook, this tune immediately grabs your attention. It's a high-energy collaboration that perfectly fuses Freeman's signature catchy vocal delivery with a crisp, hard-hitting production. What makes Bvira Vira bang? The title, Bvira Vira, roughly translates from Shona to catch fire, or light up, and that's precisely the mood the song sets. It's an anthem of pure, unadulterated energy, the kind of song you put on when you want to forget your worries and just move. The vibe. The track is a straight-up ZimDancehall banger with a strong, infectious rhythmic foundation. It's built for the dance floor, encouraging listeners to unleash their energy and embrace the fire within. The collaboration. Spirit ZW, known for his production prowess, steps up to the mic, adding another layer of depth to the track. Their chemistry is undeniable, making for a seamless and powerful duo. The message implied, while it's a party tune, the underlying spirit of Bvira Vira often speaks to resilience and letting your own light shine brightly. In the context of ZimDancehall, it's a rallying cry for the hustle, the success, and the celebration that follows. A must-add to your playlist. If you're a fan of Freeman's melodic flow and his ability to consistently deliver chart-topping hits, Bvira Vira is an absolute must-add to your playlist. It reinforces his position as a pioneer and a consistent hitmaker in Zimbabwean music. The song is already racking up views and streams, proving that the HKD Boss still knows exactly how to tap into the pulse of the streets and the clubs. Have you caught the fire yet? Go listen to Freeman HKD, Bvira Vira, featuring Spirit ZW and let us know what you think in the comments below. Fire.